How to use, download and log into the DBS Digibank app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can use the Digibank app as well as also download and as well as also log into your mobile banking account. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use the DGS Digibank app by downloading the app and logging in, it's very simple. First, you go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the DBS Digibank app and install it if you haven't already done so. After that, you open it up. If you haven't yet set up your online access for Digibank, but you already have a bank account, what you can do is tap on this button that says sign up for Digibank. From here, you can simply go ahead and then make sure to set up your online access by selecting I need Digibank access. And you can enter your identity type, the number and the date of birth or the date of issue for the document and tap the next button. Now, in case you've already set up your mobile banking and you just want to log in, then in that case you can just come back. Then you can tap on the login button from the bottom. Then by tapping the login button from there, you can enter your user ID and the PIN. Then tap the login button over there to log in successfully. If you forgot your user ID or your PIN, you can tap on the forgot user ID or the forgot PIN button to reset it as well. And this way you can download Digibank app and log in and also use it. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.